So my number one thing I love about being raw, everything else I like about raw, but this one I love about being raw. Hold on, let me sip my drink first. It is day 35 on the 90 days raw and day 7 of my juicing. And guess what? I've lost 3 pounds. Yeah, I've lost 3 pounds and 2 inches. Who happy like me? So first thing, I'm going to start with my coconut water. This tool is a lifesaver. Thanks again to Stacia for promoting it. It does nice and refreshing. Great start to the morning. Nice internal shower. Too bad I don't have the soap to go with it, but I'm getting my electrolytes. So being that I'm on a 14 days juice and smoothie, so I drink the jelly, can't eat the meat, so I'm blending it with some blueberry. Here is it: blueberry, coconut water, coconut meat, and I'm having it under my favorite apple tree. Too bad I can't eat any right now. So there's a lot of reasons I like eating raw or love eating raw, and this is one. You know, you don't have a lot of plates or cups or utensils to wash, because I just blend it in the Ninja and I'm having it from the same cup. And if you're grabbing just the fruits, I mean, all you need is a knife for the most part, or you just wash it and eat it. So that's really one of the pros to eating raw. So this is the beets, purple cabbage, ginger, and coconut water, and it is good. I'll definitely try this again. One thing, or I love a lot of things about being raw, but another thing is that it can be flexible. You know, you don't have to stick to recipes. You can try a lot of things. You can do a lot of experiments. My number one thing I love about being raw, everything else I like about raw, but this one I love about being raw. Hold on, let me sip my drink first. Everybody loves save money, right? And for me, being on this raw journey, I save a lot of money. Not to nobody. But yeah, man. So you know, like, you have $500. But the other day I went on the road and I was hungry and I bought some fruits, and I bought two bags of cane, 2 bags of apple, and 2 bananas for $500, and it served me for the whole day on the road. Imagine you have that $500 now and you want to buy 2 pounds of chicken. I doubt if $500 can buy 2 pounds of chicken, and the rice and the seasoning, what you call it, the powder seasoning, and the onion and whatever else you buy, and the juice to go with it. $500 can buy that. $500 not even can buy you a proper box food on the road. So that is the number one thing I love about being raw. Keeping my money in my pocket. Oh, how I love it. Sip another drink and, you know, remind myself, say, I need to stay raw. Yeah, man. So for all those who love to say, oh, eating healthy is expensive, I say, cut the BS. It is not. All you have to do is stay within budget, eat in season. So if it's mango season, you stock up on your mangoes. If you can't eat it all, you cut it up and you put it in the freezer for freeze. You can use it, make smoothie later or juice. When it's apple season, you go out on apple. When it's gooseberry season, whatever season it is, just enjoy it, and you can always use up your freezing space. And next thing that allows me to save money on the 90 days raw is that Stacia cut off all nuts and seeds. So you know nuts are expensive, you know, with cashew and with almonds they are expensive, right? So there, so you save a little bit of money, and you don't have to eat a lot of nuts and a lot of seeds, fruits, vegetables. Can't stress it no more. Just come along on the journey. If it's even one day, or replace one meal, or fruits first and then you eat whatever you want after, trust me, your body will love you for that. It's day 36 of 90, day 8 of 14 days juicing, and day 8 of our yearly 21 days raw March edition. So for today I decided to just have coconut water. So this is the first one for the morning. So I'll be just feeding on coconut water for the day. Yeah, this is my second coconut for the day. And did I say how much I'm grateful for this tool? Normally I would used to have to ask persons to chop my jelly for me, and then that didn't motivate me to drink them, so they'd end up stay with me for a longer time, because sometimes I can't bother people. So this tool, I can just open my jelly and enjoy the water. Coconut number 2. I'm feeling good, still have my energy, light on my feet, you know, and I just feel, well, the only thing, the sun is hot, so I tend to get thirsty. So let me see how much coconut it will take me for the day. But so far so good. This is like my 8th coconut today. Today was really hot, but all in all, it was a good day. Today was just coconut water only. First time doing it, and for a little bit, you know, sometimes you want something, because I've been craving sweet, so I came this close to making a smoothie, but I didn't. So I can do that tomorrow. But anyways, day has come to an end. I might drink another one for the night if I'm thirsty, but for now I'm all good.